because you are not artist.
Sige daw.
Let's go.
Itu budaya ini menang datang dari Daw yang 5:45.
Hi guys. Ito ang mga friend. Ito ang Divine Mercy Shrine. At yan ang image of Our Lady of Lourdes. And that's Divine Mercy Jesus. Heart of Jesus. And today is the feast of Divine Mercy. We pray for him. And so many people are waiting for the mass, and we are already finished attending the mass.
We made sin because we were at the mass of the wrong religion.
What?
We made sin because we were there with pastor.
No, we are only attending that, but we
Yeah,
are
but
not
it
pressing.
means also sin.
It's not sins because we are only attending for the.
But we didn't know in advance that where we are going. Then it might not be a sin.
Yeah, this is the Divine Mercy Shrine at El Salvador City. Today is the Feast of Divine Mercy. That's why there are so many people here attending the mass, and so many religious people are coming here. You want to go there?
I don't know, but
There.
where is the right
Yeah,
one?
that's the right side.
Okay. I knew that it was not a good idea to walk down here because now we need to walk up there
Oh,
400
don't
meters.
worry. It's not so far.
It is for me because my feet are so ill.
Oh, you can sit down if you are tired there. Are you tired?
My legs, like last time.
You can rest.
Yeah, okay. I
Can
lay
rest.
down here and
No,
take a nap.
you can sit down there. There is a oh, see, you can sit there if you want to sit. Huh? You want to sit there for a while? Oh,
No,
You
I
must
want to get up there that we can get off.
no, we'll go there. So
Why
we
here?
will put candle in the
Okay, then tell me
Ne-
that next time we take a boat and we
Oh, that's
row to China.
that is why I don't like you to come here, because you are always tired.
Yeah, and you always get a new ideas. Go there and go there.
No,
Let's
because
go to eat.
I just want you to see.
I don't do this in purpose. My legs are...
Okay, you must sit
Really?
down there first, because you are tired and been.
I feel...
Oh, you must sit down here. Here.
yeah. And then you walk back and back and back.
No, Papa, sit down there for a while. Ay nako, the old man is feeling always tired. Sit
No.
down there. You must sit
Yes, I
for a
must
while.
sit, but I am not always tired. I'm tired because I can't go like a normal people anymore. Because my legs are like a my legs are like a, there is no legs at all.
That's why I told you that you can go home.
Yeah, but I want to be here with you.
And now you are feel tired, because
Yes,
of course
I
we
feel
need to
tired
walk, because
I didn't know that we are walking downstairs. I thought
of
that
course,
we go to the church
yeah, but we're
and then
finished.
we go home.
Of course we are finished, and then of course we will go there to look at the.
Again.
No.
You are crazy. Go there. Then you rest here. Look, it's good bed here. And then you go back home
Papa.
there, and then you go back downstairs, and then you get a
No.
helicopter or boat,
You're always complaining that
You will get.
you're always complaining
I
of
will-
walking.
I will row.
We have
I will
no
row.
we have no car, so we need to walk.
I will row, and we will get slow boat to China. It's only 17
you have
days.
you have no money to
Yeah.
buy car, so we need to walk.
Or row
Oh, we need to
to
walk.
China. Slow
Yeah.
boat to China is...
Go to China.
Yeah, because that's a famous...
Oh, you have no money to go
That's
to
the
go to
famous.
Manila, and then you want to go to China.
Yeah, that's the famous yacht
Mm.
jazz song.
Yeah. So, the old man is the
Slow
old
boat to
man
China.
the old man is tired so much.
Yeah.
And he always complaining for walking.